think she wants it. You want it? Oh, you love it. Do you love it? Oh my gosh, my kitty is a drug addict. She's addicted to Meowijuana. Okay. Let me open it. I'm trying. You ready? Oh, she loves it. My cat has never been this playful. Ever. Oh my gosh. You love it! Do you love it? Do you love it? Say its name. There you go. Say its name. Do you love it? What do you think, Jade? Do you love it? Oh, she loves her sample, guys. Thanks so much. She says thank you. She says thank you. Oh my gosh, I can't get enough of you, Jade. You're so in love right now with this stuff. Yeah, you dig it? Can you dig it? Yeah? You are wild. You are wild. You want more? Yeah? Oh, you're just smelling it and rubbing in it and loving it. What is this stuff? My cat is going crazy. She's got grass catnip growing over there, but she likes this better. Let's see. Non-addictive. Stimulates exercise. Well, I'm definitely seeing some stimulation in this old piece of furniture that usually just lays around doing nothing. OMG. She is so cute. Thanks for my sample, she says. Need some more? Oh, she wants to eat it from my hand. She says, give it to me all. Oh, give it to me all. Oh. Yes, are you in kitty heaven?